Well, here we are, August 28th, 2011, 1:40 p.m. This is Hurricane Irene. We're going to go check out the river. Here we go. Look at that. Ha 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 ha. Oh. You can thank Irene for this. You can see where it's coming in right here. About 4 feet of water right there. Just about up to the lawn. It's the highest it's been in a long time. Hurricane Irene. Yep, she's up about 10 feet. About 10 feet, you can't even see. Can't even see where we go in on the beach. This is pretty high. This is the highest I've ever seen it. Everybody's in amazement today.
Thanks, Irene. How about you doing? Yeah.
Look at that. Coming in the yard.
Oh,
yeah.
Look at that. Wow. It's gonna be how far was it? An hour ago.
You can see over the bank.
Wow, it's come up quite a bit in an hour.
It's up almost 10 feet since the normal.
Over there, across the way.
Look at that, yeah.
Wow, amazing. Okay, this is what I read. I'm sure this is going to be
I'm going over here. That's where we were standing earlier. It's up past the bank. Well, this is the river down at Autumn Leaves. They're evacuating everybody down here. Autumn Leaves. Here we go, the Irene Poultney Bridge. Check the scenery out right here. Yep. That ain't supposed to be there. Driving through major mud here. There ain't no road. Yeah, this is bad. Water's coming this way. I'm not going over there. Backing up. Look at that. Look at that. That's the road, folks. That's the road to Middletown from Poultney. It's a half hour later. 3:50 p.m. It is rising wicked fast. I don't think you can fathom how high this river is right now. If I get one of these scale images here. The river compared to Jeff's house. This is bad, 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 bad. See Paul over there, Dad. Yep, we were supposed to race Devil's Bowl today. I wonder why it got rained out. 4:35, August 28th. It's risen another foot, maybe two. This is bad, folks. The view from the river bridge. This is Granville Street down here in Poultney. Can't really see it very well yet. Road is closed. It's the field behind the college, completely flooded. There's the Legion.
Wow. That river's really gone up since the last time I've been out here. The flower pot's gone. The white one, totally gone. Wow, look at that. And you know it's going to come up higher because how fast the river is flowing. Like I said, you can watch it go up, but I don't know, a foot a minute, foot every 5 minutes. Look at the beer bottles floating. Wow. Look at that. This is by the bridge. Thanks, Irene.